Xiaomi also introduced the new Buds 5. We are talking about the new generation of their completely wireless earphones that come with a design completely different from what we were used to and what Xiaomi had been offering until now. So, along with this new design, comes a new case with a dual finish. The top lid is much more reflective and the bottom part has a matte finish. It seems they will be closed design earphones with a rather unique grille. The speaker has $1 of 42G, the water resistance level is IP, and at least for now in China, they have the ability to even summarize a recording you make directly with them. This is to have artificial intelligence functions, but we will have to wait and see if these capabilities will be retained globally or not. But focusing on the audio quality, they incorporate 11mm drivers, obviously have active noise cancellation, and also use artificial intelligence to provide noise cancellation during calls so that your voice can be heard in the best possible way. In this case, Xiaomi has teamed up with Harman to offer different sound effects and customize your experience as much as possible so you can choose the sound you like the most. It has a 480 mAh battery, so they claim it could give you up to 6 hours of playback without considering the case and could reach up to 39 hours with the case. It will be available in 5 colors, so there will be a good variety, and its announced price for China is 699 yuan. It is likely that those earphones will be launched globally, but we will have to wait because for now the launch has been in China.